Hey everybody, Jerry from Remote Off-Grid, Colorado. So we have a lot of projects around the cabin, and as you know, we're building the sauna and whatnot. But we had a manufacturer's rep reach out to us and send us this little saw. Asked us to do a little check it out, see if it might work on our property and whatnot, and for some of our various projects around here. So they sent it to us, said open it up, check it out, and let us know what you think. So I'm going to take a few minutes and open this box up, see how it's packaged, whatnot. We'll lay it all out, put the thing together, and put it to use around the homestead here. So stand by, there'll be more coming. Okay, so let's check out this little unit here. The Saker mini electric chainsaw, a 4-inch portable cordless, you can read, right? Anyway, it's got some cool little things here on the end. Shows the chain, the motor, how it works and everything. A little bit more on the box. Specs, selling points, product contains. Let's open it up and see what it contains. All right. It's like a nice battery, 20 volt. Looks pretty sturdy. There's a wall charger. And a little screwdriver they give you too. This must be the unit. Little strap to hold on for dear life. Uh-oh. That's it. That's the little unit. Feels pretty sharp. Trigger control. Saker. Looks like it also comes with a little oiler bottle. We'll have to check that out in the instructions. And a little wrench. Take your blade off and sharpen it and whatnot. And that's pretty much everything you got in the kit. You got your saw. Looks like a little tiny thing of bar oil. Wrench, screwdriver, charger, owner's manual. Pretty cool little unit. Very scary. Good times. Of course, you got your owner's manual and your safety precaution sheets and whatnot. It was packaged real nice, I think. Pretty lightweight. We're going to put it all together and run this thing. I got some ideas on some wood projects outside, so we will catch you on the next video. All right, we're out here with the mini chainsaw made by Saker. They sent us. Give it a whirl. We're out here on the homestead. Need to do some limbing up. Got this perfect little tree here that needs to be limbed so we can see the road a little better. So we're going to give it a whirl without further ado. So let's just see how she runs. I'm going to take this one out first. Okay, that was sweet. really nice one-handed operation. It's really lightweight and it's aggressive. I mean, it cuts real nice. I'm gonna take a few more off here. Some of these bigger ones. Oh, like a champ. Even the bigger branches, it goes right through them. That's pretty good, huh? From the cabin, we should be able to see the house. See the road pretty good, yeah?
Yep.
This tree's got some big branches. Kevin's up there trying to get some of these big guys out.
Oh, that's cold. That's pretty aggressive.
It is.
Think about taking this aspen out of here too.
Yeah, it's dead anyway, so. Nice little trimming tool, man. I'll tell you what, it's, look at that. Went through that little aspen like nothing. Good saw, good product. That little saw cut all that blue spruce pine. It's a couple of trees worth of limbs that we needed up out of the way for visibility. Came from that tree and the one further beyond. But it exceeded expectations. It just needs a charge and we'll get back at it again. Great little saw. I'm sure it's great for the price. Does everything we need without the hassles of a chainsaw. Full size, heavy bulk, gas, oil, sharpening, all that. This guy's pretty wicked. Thanks, Saker.